So I'm currently behind the wheel of a 2022 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro, and this thing features, of course, a few four-wheel drive modes and also features the unique MultiTerrain Select. So I'm going to take some time to showcase just how to switch between those different modes. So uniquely, the vehicle features a manual four-wheel drive selector. So you got two-wheel drive, 4 high, and 4 low. Now, two-wheel drive and 4 high can just be shifted on the fly. You can just go up and down. So right now I'm in two-wheel drive, just pulling back on the lever. I'm in 4 high. Now 4 low requires the transmission to be in neutral, so I'm going to put it in neutral and then simply up and over, and I'm in 4 low. Now you will know you're in 4 low because you will have all these new lights on the dash. The collision avoidance system will be off. Of course, it'll say 4 low, track off, traction control is off. Now I'm going to put it into 4 high just for the beginning of this video to showcase the different multi-terrain select options. So up here you have a multi-terrain select knob. So it says on and off. So pushing it on showcases that you have the mud, sand, and dirt enabled in the multi-terrain select. Now that is the only mode that will be available in four-wheel drive high. So if I were to turn this knob up here to the right, I'm going to get a message that says select low 4, which I'm currently in neutral, so I can do so. Got the collision avoidance in loose rock, mogul, and rock. Now, loose rock, mogul, and rock, those modes require low 4, whereas mud, sand, and dirt, I can simply just switch it back into regular old four-wheel drive high, and as you see, all the lights went away for me switching it back, and it still enables the mud, sand, and dirt. Now, if I switch it into two-wheel drive, it'll kind of disable. It'll tell me to select four-wheel drive because it will not allow me to use the different multi-terrain select modes. If I push the off button, the multi-terrain select has now been canceled. But that is how easy it is to switch between the different multi-terrain select modes, as well as get yourself into 4 high and 4 low in the 2022 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro. Hope this helped give you some info. Thanks for watching.